What's up, guys? What's back to the channel?
You think that it's like a breezy day?
We are going to do some stuff like, I don't know, ride bikes, play balls, I don't know. I can only record this for 7 minutes and 3 seconds, so yeah, sorry. Guys, if you think my videos are short, the first video with a Y, it was very short.
By the way, I have a YouTube channel.
Say hi.
Hi? I'm not supposed to know. I'm not allowed to be shown on there with like bedclothes.
You're wearing bed clothes?
Yeah, well, not really. It's just the shirt was from bed. Oh, do you like our garden? We actually grew it from seeds. Well, this one fine. We got that one from.
There's a garden.
Hey, stop acting like that's your garden.
I'm not. It's my friend's garden. It's a nice garden. Oh, another garden.
Oh yeah, that's our
Well,
garden.
it's been
Yeah,
friend's
that's
other
where our
garden.
really medicine was. But unfortunately,
Trailer. Lots of trailers. It says I've been recording this for an hour.
No, it's on. It says that you've been recording it for 1 minute.
Tree.
Get away from the sunstress. Dude, are you about to leave?
No. Car.
Car.
Guys,
Hey, are you
there's the
recording
park. I
cars now?
might go there. I'm gonna go to the park. Y'all are nice. No, I didn't.
Huh?
I only showed the whiteness.
You know you just put our car license plate in the video.
I'm not sending this video. This is actually recorded. I'm acting like I have a YouTube channel.
Huh?
I'm acting like I have a YouTube channel.
Huh?
And his porch.
How many subscribers do you have?
53.
Well, I just started my channel, so I only have like 5.
Guys, this is nice. Tree. Nice. This is nice nature. We're gonna go on a nature walk.
Hey! Found me?
I mean, you can come.
My grandma would be okay with it.
We're going around the nature walk around your house.
I can't go behind my house.
Why?
I'm not allowed to.
Well, I'll just go. Guys, after we go on this nature walk,
Okay, fine. I'll ask my brother, but first stay there. Which, trust me, there's no nature on the back of our house, too. But there is rocks. You ask me. What the heck are you doing with your lipstick? I said you go ask.
hey guys, if you want me to make a new YouTube pic,
It takes work.
that was a nice YouTube pic. But yeah. Guys, sorry if the camera's just shaking around. I mean, I'll go down to Corbin's here soon because I know he's home. He just went shopping. Oh, electric! Don't want to get hit by that. Gas. Think they went electric too. The body fun. See? Oh, I just heard a scream. stuff. Guys, I think we're gonna be done. And